everyone, welcome to Sandy's Delight, and today we're going to be making Achari Gobi. Let's begin!
For this recipe, we will need a few florets of cauliflower, 2 spoons of olive oil, 1 spoon of pickles, and a half spoon of salt, cumin powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Now put olive oil into the pan and wait for a few seconds to heat. Then put cauliflower along with the salt to saute. Now cauliflower saute is going on. Now add turmeric, coriander, and cumin powder. Now add little hot water on it and saute it for 3 minutes and close it with the lid. Now put the pickle and saute it for 3 minutes. Now we're done with our Achari Gobi. You can serve it with rice or roti.
I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye!